I love being alone. It gives me the chance to spend quality time with the person who gets me the most, me. But it wasn't always this way. Here's how I learned to love being alone. I realized that I get to spend the rest of my life with me. So, we better get to know each other. When I spend time alone, I get to do whatever I want, for however long I want, in whatever way I want. And please, don't get me wrong. I'm so grateful for the wonderful community of friends and family that I have, and lean on them so hard. But before I can give these people the love that they deserve, I have to first give that to myself. You have to first love yourself the way that you so badly wish someone else would. Because the truth is that no one can love you like you. This is MamaG and welcome to my channel. Put hot water in a big plastic tub and I will wait a few minutes until it gets warm. So next, I will be removing the paint on my nails with cotton nail polish remover, almond oil, and this will be the nail polish that I will apply later. And now I will be applying almond oil to my nails so they will be moisturized before I will put them in the warm water. But I advise you guys to put this almond oil overnight, especially guys if your nails are too damaged because of too much nail polish. I put some soap and make sure that you have enough water for your feet. So I add more warm water guys. And I check if the temperature is good. A pumice stone is a natural lava stone that can help remove dead skin and calluses from your feet. And now dip the pumice stone in warm water. I will put some dried lavender so it will give me a nice scent. And now I will soak my feet like 20 to 30 minutes. When you're doing foot spa, you have to set your environment. When you go for a foot spa in the salon, it is not only the procedure that relaxes you. The relaxing spa environment plays a huge role in shaping your overall experience. Pick a comfortable place. You may light a few aromatic candles. This will enhance your sensory experience. You may also play relaxing music. Who doesn't love getting a foot spa? It is one of the most rewarding and relaxing things that anyone can dream of after a tiring day. The good news is you do not have to step out and visit a salon to get one. You can do by yourself. Self-care means self-love. And now I will be relaxing my neck using neck massage magnetic therapy for a few minutes. So if you have more time, you can grab a magazine and look what is the fashion for this month. Wow, it's really me time, like there is no social media. It's just me and this relaxing room. It really feels good, guys, to stay my feet inside the warm water, but it's already time, so I will be exfoliating my feet. So now I can feel the dead skin. Okay, so using lava stone, it will be very easy to take out. So now I gently move the stone in a circular or sideways motion around my foot to remove dead skin. Focus on removing the top layer of the skin and not the entire area of the dead skin, which will help promote healthy cell turnover. Now I am comparing the two. Okay, so I really see the difference, guys. My left foot is very smooth, you know, like wow, like a baby foot. So now I will be exfoliating the other one. And now it's finally done. So next we will be doing pedicure. I am using a dim light. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, I really use the flash of my phone so you can guys see. They are very smooth, guys. Oh my god, so nice. It feels good. And now preparing myself for cleaning my nails. Here is all what I need. I apply Vaseline, pushing and cutting the cuticles. Next, I will smooth my nails using nail files. And now it's time to apply nail polish for my nails so they will look better. Yay! They look nice. I love their new color. My feet are so happy. They only speak, guys. They are so thankful. They always walk. They are tired. They deserve it. Of course, we will not end like that. I will moisturize my feet using ultra rich foot balm from Yves Rocher. This is so good, guys. I love this product from Yves Rocher. It really makes my feet very smooth, moisturized, and smells good. All that I mentioned in this video, guys, I will put on my description box so it's easy for you to find. So now I will just do a quick massage, guys, so my feet will be more relaxed. So when the nail polish is already dry, guys, like after 1 hour, you can put a socks. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.